In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open calendars from other sources in Microsoft Outlook quickly. Whether you've been using Outlook for a while or are just getting started, integrating calendars from different sources can enhance your scheduling capabilities. Let's get started and make sure you have everything synced up seamlessly. First, navigate to your Outlook application. This might be through your desktop app or directly via a browser by visiting Outlook's website. Once you've landed on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice a series of icons. Click on the one that resembles a small calendar. This will take you to the calendar view. Once you're in your calendar view, look towards the toolbar at the top of the page. Here, find and select the option labeled Add Calendar. Clicking this will provide you with several options for integrating additional calendars into your Outlook. Continue by selecting the Upload from File option. This is a straightforward way to incorporate calendar files from other services. Once clicked, you'll see an option to browse. This will allow you to search your local files for the calendar you wish to import. At this point, it's essential to make sure that you have exported the calendar file from your other source first. Let's discuss how to do this with something like Google Calendar. Navigate to your other source, such as Google Calendar. Once there, locate and click on a specific event date, and then select the Settings option. In the ensuing menu, you should see an Import and Export option, which is crucial for our purposes. Click on Export, and this will allow you to save your current calendar configurations to a file format recognized by Outlook, typically an ICS file. Now, with your exported file in hand, return to Outlook. Head back to the Add Calendar area and select Browse again. Locate the file you saved earlier. Once selected, you'll be prompted to choose the calendar into which you'd like this data imported. Click on Select a Calendar. Choose an existing calendar or opt to create a new one specifically for these events. Once you're satisfied with your selection, finalize the process by clicking on Import. Outlook might take a few moments to integrate all the data, depending on the file size. Once complete, all the events from your external calendar should appear seamlessly within Outlook, ensuring your schedules are consolidated in one accessible place. That's it! You've successfully integrated a calendar from another source into Microsoft Outlook. This integration allows you to keep all your important dates and schedules at your fingertips without needing to toggle between multiple platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your organizational tasks more efficient.